Hi there, thanks for stopping by. I have this beautiful salad here that needs some dressing, and I'm going to try my hand at homemade ranch dressing. I've never made it before, and I've looked at several recipes, and I kind of made a combination of a bunch of recipes and put them together, and I think it's going to be pretty good. But let's try it together, so follow along. Okay, this recipe is very simple. You just mix all the ingredients together and either just mix with a mixer or whisk, or you can just shake it. So here we go. These are the ingredients: 1/2 cup of mayo, 1/2 cup of sour cream, 2 to 4 tablespoons of buttermilk or any kind of milk, or 1 to 3 teaspoons of lemon juice to taste. We'll do that at the end, just as we need it. And then 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of dried chives, 1/2 teaspoon of dried parsley, 1 teaspoon of dill, and 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. So we'll just quickly put those things together and see how easy it is. Okay, we'll start by putting in the mayonnaise and the sour cream. I'm putting mine just in a mason jar. And next I'll put in the dill weed, and that is 1 teaspoon. And the onion powder is just 1/4 teaspoon. And then 1/2 teaspoon of each of these, the chives. It smells good already. And the garlic powder and parsley. Salt, 1/4 teaspoon, and pepper. All right, now we will add our liquid ingredients, our 2 to 4 tablespoons of buttermilk. We'll start with 3. And then I'm just going to do 1 tablespoon of the lemon juice, since we have buttermilk and the sour cream. Now I found these handy little mason jar lids on Amazon, and they have a little pour spout here, and the reviews were great, so I haven't used it yet. So we'll go ahead and close this and give it a really good shake. Now we'll go ahead and taste it. It's pretty thick. That is the best ranch I've ever had. Wow, that is delicious. But this will have to be kept in the refrigerator, and it will be good as long as your milk and sour cream is good. So check the dates on your milk and sour cream. And each time you go to use it, I would shake it really good. But wow, this is delicious. Let me add a little more milk to that. Go ahead and add 2 more because it's pretty thick. You wouldn't have to. I mean, if you would like it to be thicker, this is perfect. That's better. It's still pretty thick. You could add more milk if you want to. That is really good. Okay, delicious ranch dressing, homemade ranch dressing. Yum. And it's going to go well with our salad. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again for more videos. Check out the recipe and description down below. And please like and subscribe to the channel. See you soon. And the garlic powder. Whoops, a little more. Whoa, that's a lot. I'm not gonna dump all that in. I'll just put it in the sink. All right, now we will add our liquid ingredients.